Hi, this is a video I've been wanting to make for a little while. I just recently bought a domain name stroke site off a great affiliate marketer. Some of you will already know him. He's quite prolific within the affiliate marketing community. His name is Carl Broadbent. I will leave details below in the description so you can reach out to his channel. He has a fantastic YouTube channel. I heartily recommend it. I have been following him for over a year. I'm also a member of his Discord group. Again, the link will be below. And he just gives you loads and loads of insight to how to do affiliate marketing, which from my perspective, being a digital marketer for the last 20 years plus, I've wanted to understand another aspect of marketing, affiliate marketing. Now, the only way to do that is whilst you can talk the talk, you need to walk the walk. So I've got one or two sites already. This came up for sale. I thought it was quite advantageous to buy it alongside the site I already had. And whilst I was doing the research for that, I was kind of leaving a little bit of like the breadcrumbs on the table, as it were, in the form of intent. And this site, I think, will mirror that intent quite nicely. And that will allow me to basically build that site out. Now, before I do reveal it, and I'm going to do that on this video, I'm going to be totally transparent, which I've seen the likes of Carl Broadbent done and Alex Cooper and many other great affiliate marketers out there. There is a word of caution. This website simply has 10 posts earning no money and really has no traffic whatsoever. Okay, and we'll do our due diligence and we will see that in the sequence of videos that will follow this, because it's there for a journey. It's there to inspire, hopefully, my target audience of the starter company or those that are on this sort of journey or wish to progress with it, but they're in the infancy, very much like me. So the only way to do that is taking a collaborative approach, and we're sharing knowledge. That's really the goal of this particular video, and sharing the domain name. And the reason I also wanted something else is because I wanted to take that leap of faith, as it were, that the likes of Alex and Carl and a few others have taken, is show you the domain name. Now, in the affiliate marketing community or fraternity, whatever you want to see it as, people are quite guarded about what their domain is, and rightly so, because there are lots of people out there who will steal the content, respin it, and make their own website out of it. But this is my word of caution to you. This website has none of that, has no power, no authority, no monetary value, simply 10 posts on there. But I'm happy to share it because it will develop my process. It will demonstrate the very principles of how I do my keyword research, how I look at the intent, how I build out those content silos, and then how I do the content writing. And it's all going to be done by these good hands. So please join me as I reveal the domain name. So you can see it on screen. It's called spicesplate.com, which is quite a nice, simple name. It's a .com. I was quite happy with that. You will see already on here, it's not secure, because I have literally only, with the good help of Phil Lancaster from Spiderweb, again, I'll pop a link below for him as well, who does hosting. He has helped me transfer it onto my hosting platform because I've got quite a few websites there, so it made more sense to do that. But I haven't done any due diligence. I haven't secured it. I haven't put an SSL certificate on there. I have not done anything bar transfer the existing content to what it was, set up by Carl, and brought it across to my SiteGround account. So again, through the sequence of videos that will be coming, I will show you exactly how we secure it, how then we build it out, probably with maybe a new theme, which I'll happily show you. This is the totality of the whole website. It's got a very basic footer, as you can see down here, handful of pages which reflect on that, like the terms and conditions, and then very much the 10 posts here that have been brought out in a simple filtering process, but it's exactly the same, and then a simple contact form on there as well. That is the whole website. Nothing glamorous at all, but I see the potential, and that's the key ingredients in this particular domain. I'm looking at it can serve quite nicely alongside my other domain, which I might make public, and if so, I would happily share that with you. As if people want to see it, please put a comment below, and yes, I'll decide whether I do or I don't, because that one is making me money and starting to make good ground where it is, but I don't want to jeopardize that without it getting somewhere further down the road. This one, however, has nothing to jeopardize. So anybody wishing to copy all the content that I do and steal it, knock your boots out, because I'm not making any money out of it. You're not going to make any money out of it. Nothing on this is ranking as we speak at the moment. This is there as a social experiment first and foremost. It's there for me to prove the principle, which I already have because I've got sites that are ranking quite comfortably, but more so to put that out there into the wider community, albeit on YouTube. So people who are thinking about what's all this affiliate marketing about, they can see that. And there's links then to other respected people within the industry like Sean Mars, Amelia Gardner. There's so many people out there that can give you information, like Spencer Hawes, Carl Broadbent, as I said, Alex Cooper. I'll try not forget anyone. I will try and put as many as I can in the links below, because I follow so many on YouTube, and it's really given me the insight to push this forward. So let's just take a little bit behind the scenes look on the back of the site. And you can see everything he's doing. It needs a new logo. It needs the intent to be sorted out. And you can see it's very straightforward. The migration plugins there just to bring it across. The SiteGround optimizer is in there standard, because literally it's just been set up as a brand new site, 10 posts brought in and nothing more. So as you'll see on the posts here, there is Yoast as an optimization tool. Yeah, Yoast is okay, but I will switch that to Rank Math. I prefer Rank Math. It just gives me a bit more of an idea that we're crawling up as high as we can with the optimizing, and again I'll show that through the videos. But you know, there's nothing wrong with Yoast. I used it for many years when I worked through agencies and on numerous websites. And like everything, it doesn't fix your optimization, it doesn't guarantee your ranking, but it's a great tool to give you an indication, a sort of yardstick, as it were, to know that you're ticking the right boxes. So you can see, as you can see here, that's it. 10 simple posts. There's one in draft there. Fine, no problem. And then when we come on pages, you will see there are just the standard ones by all accounts, and that's understandable. It's an affiliate site. We don't want to put over and above in here. We want to basically get the informational intent right, and then bring people down to the transactional intent or commercial intent, whichever you prefer. So we need to keep it very simple, very little animation. I do prefer things like Elementor. I know some people are against like page builders because they add more speed and that slows it down, blah, 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 and all that. But I've done tests, and if you've got good hosting, and that's the key ingredient, good hosting, then you put it on WordPress, then you put a theme in there, and I'm quite an advocate of Astra. It's a nice light theme, but I'm also experimenting with one or two others like Jana, which is great then for a news blog type of one. So I need to do my due diligence of finding the most appropriate theme here that will display the information. And then you put your plugins, and then you do a page builder, and then all that can still come in less than a second under GT metrics. It's what you start doing from an animation point of view, really, or third-party sort of point of view, like things like Google Maps or any sort of additional JavaScript listing, then that will slow the website down. None of that will be the case in here. It'll simply be informational intent, but it'll be designing it that the user experience, and that's the important key for me, the user experience is pretty good. And I'll probably show you that on one of my other sites in time, because I don't want to hit it hard and heavy with things like ads, like through Ezoic or Mediavine, purely because I think people get turned off by adverts. And this particular website, and this is why I'm quite looking forward to the journey, I may not put ads on at all. And the rhyme and the reason is because it's about the cooking or the herbs and spices and how you can make that better for your dishes, then there's going to be lots of images. So I don't want the adverts to compete against that and distract the end user or the reader from seeing what they're seeing. So again, as you'll see in the media library, there's a handful of images just for those 10, and it's going to be based on this. But my intention is to ensure that the images you see are A, relevant to the posts, but actually have some quality about them. I will pay for them. I don't believe you should just literally look in all the free resources like Pixabay or Pexels. I'll use like a Dreamstime account or Shutterstock, which I've got access to both, and we'll build it out from there. So that's me waffling enough. Just wanted to share the domain and be genuine and upfront about it, and actually then to get started on this and record it and then show you, the potential affiliate marketer, how you can build out a site. And I'm sure I'll make some mistakes on the way, but you know what? This collaborative approach where people can reach out to me and give me their thoughts and ideas will be very much appreciated. But likewise, I've been doing this for about 2 years now, so I've got a fair idea how to get started and get those wheels turning. So I just wanted to share the domain with you, spicesplate.com. If you do click on it, hey, great, because hey, every click's got value. Really do appreciate. So see you in the next video, and thanks for joining me. Bye for now.